In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SUMIFS and AVERAGEIFS in Microsoft Excel. We'll start with a quick single condition total, then build up to multiple criteria and finish by calculating conditional averages so you can analyze your data with confidence. Open Excel and head to the sheet that contains your data. Take a moment to scan your headers so you know which columns hold the labels you'll filter by and which column holds the numbers you want to total or average. Now click the cell where you want your result to appear. This keeps your worksheet organized and makes your formulas easy to find later. Let's begin with a simple total using SUMIF. In the results cell, type SUMIF. Excel will prompt you for three things. First, select the range where Excel should check your condition. For example, the column that lists categories like a region or a product name. Add a comma, then type your criteria in quotes, such as north or widgets. Text or operators like 100 go in quotes, so Excel understands them. Add another comma, then select the range that contains the numbers you want to add. This is usually a sales or amounts column. Close the parenthesis and press enter. If your ranges line up correctly and your criteria exist in the data, you'll see an instant total. If you plan to copy the formula down or across, consider using absolute references so the ranges don't shift. When you need to sum with more than one condition, use SUMIFS, which handles multiple ranges and conditions. Its structure is exel SUMIFS, sum, range, criteria at range 1, criteria at range 2, criteria 2. The sum range is the range of cells to be added. Criteria at range 1 is the first range to evaluate, and criteria 1 is the condition applied to that range. You can keep pairing additional criteria ranges and criteria to refine your total. For instance, summing amounts where region equals a specific value and month equals a specific period. Make sure each criteria range matches the size and shape of the sum range to avoid errors. To compute a conditional average, AVERAGEIFS calculates the mean of cells that meet multiple conditions and ignores empty cells or text in the average range. The syntax is exel AVERAGEIFS average range, criteria range 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2. Point average range to the numbers you want to average, then provide your criteria ranges and criteria just like SUMIFS. This is perfect for finding the average order value for a specific product line, time frame, or region. With these functions, SUMIF for one condition, SUMIFS for many, and AVERAGEIFS for conditional means, you can turn raw data into clear, targeted insights fast.